The city's rigorous weekly testing plan is being used in more than 800 school buildings, and the results have temporarily closed down hundreds of schools across the 5 boroughs. Since December 7th, when pre-K, elementary, and special needs schools opened, roughly 30% of those schools have been closed down because of positive tests. Despite that stat, the mayor says schools are one of the safest environments with a positivity rate of less than 1%.
Almost 100,000 tests taken at New York City schools. Positivity rate, students, staff, everyone combined, based on 100,000 tests, 0.68%.
President of the Teachers Union, Michael Mulgrew, believes COVID testing in schools is falling short.
As we move forward, I want to be clear that the evidence is there that our testing program is stretched thin.
Mulgrew says in many schools, adults are the ones being tested, not students, with some schools not testing at all, and results coming in late past the city's 24 to 48 hour promise. Adding the reopening of middle and high school buildings would only strain the system further.
And we should not be contemplating adding any other buildings, because all we will see is that bad things can happen. Things can get dropped.
Today, Mayor de Blasio did not include a hint of when middle or high schools would open their doors to students again, but said the state will make the final call.
So I'm confident that we can and should keep them open. But again, the state will make that ultimate decision based on state data and state standards.
The education sector is in the CDC's next group, Phase 1B of the vaccination rollout, which includes the essential workers listed on your screen.
Thankfully, teachers are going to be granted access to the vaccine early. And if we have that in place and our numbers continue to come down, that's when we should consider the next step.
Cal Rama, Pix 11 News.